In this video, we're diving into the world of seamless audio connections with your Altec Lansing speaker. Imagine effortlessly linking your favorite tunes from any device, be it Android, iPhone, Windows PC, or Mac, to your speaker. We're here to make that happen. Stay tuned as we guide you through each step, ensuring you enjoy that rich, premium sound with the least hassle. Whether you're setting up for the first time or looking to master advanced features like true wireless and house party pairing, we've got you covered. Let's get your music to fill the room. To get started, let's put your Altec Lansing speaker in pairing mode. For most models, just press and hold the power button for 3 to 5 seconds until you hear powering on and see an LED light flashing. Some models might have a switch instead of a button, like the SoundRover wireless party speaker. If it doesn't enter pairing mode automatically, press the Bluetooth or pair button. If your speaker and device support NFC, just bring them close to each other to initiate pairing. For a wired connection, use a 3.5mm aux audio cable. If you're having trouble entering pairing mode or want to connect a new device, remember to disable Bluetooth on all previously connected devices first. And if all else fails, a reset can help. First, open your Android device's settings, go to Connected Devices and tap Pair New Device. Look for your Altec Lansing speaker in the list of available devices and select it. On iOS or iPadOS, open Settings, go to Bluetooth and tap Pair New Device. Find your Altec Lansing speaker and connect. On Windows 10 or 11, go to Settings, Devices and click Add Bluetooth or Other Device. Follow the prompts to connect your Altec Lansing speaker. For Mac users, activate pairing mode on your speaker. Open System Preferences, select Bluetooth, and connect to your Altec Lansing speaker. Connecting multiple Altec Lansing speakers. True wireless pairing. First up, true wireless pairing. This is your ticket to creating that immersive stereo sound setup. Here's how you do it. Start by pairing your primary speaker. Let's call it the parent speaker with your audio source. Easy as pie, right? Now wake up your secondary speaker. This will be the child in this audio family. On the parent speaker, you're going to press the power and minus buttons together, or if it's got one, hold down the link button until you see a green light flashing. It's like saying, hey, let's get this party started. Over to the child speaker now, press its Bluetooth pair or link button to jump into pairing mode. If your model plays by a different set of rules, pressing the power and either the minus or plus button will do the trick. Voila! You've got yourself a stereo setup with LEDs glowing solid green to show you're all linked up. This nifty feature is compatible with gems like the IMW258 Mini H203, IMW269 Baby Boom, and IMW448 Jacket H203, house party pairing. And for those of you dreaming bigger like house party big, let's talk house party pairing. This feature is a game changer, allowing you to connect up to 50 speakers for that all-encompassing sound experience. Kick things off with your first speaker connected to your sound source. Hit the Bluetooth link button until you've got a green light flashing. Bring in the next speaker and hit its Bluetooth button quick. Want more speakers in on this? Just rinse and repeat with each new addition, making sure every speaker shows a solid green light to signal you're in sync. Remember, unity is key here. All speakers need to be of the same model to ensure a smooth, cohesive sound. Perfect for models like the LifeJacket XL IMW789 and Sonic Boom IMT802. That's it for this video. You now know how to connect your Altec Lansing speaker to Android, iPhone, Windows, and Mac, as well as how to link multiple speakers for a premium audio experience. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.